guys, my name is Maria. Welcome to the EarlyON. We offer programs and services for children 0 to 6 years old in Brantford and Brant County. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip slab cookies, or another name for them is George bars. So anyway, I have all my ingredients here. It's a really simple recipe. It has very few ingredients, so it's something that you could make with your kids. And we've done it with kids over the years at the EarlyON programs, and they love doing it. So we'll get started. First, I have my recipe here. We will have a shot of the recipe either at the beginning or the end of this video, so you'll know how to make the recipe. So I've started with half a cup of margarine or butter. I have mine softened already, so it's very easy to mix. That's key because if you're doing it with kids, you want it to be able to mix easily. So if you have the margarine softened, it helps. So I have half a cup of margarine. I'm going to do half a cup of brown sugar. I already have that measured out. And I'm going to mix that up. And this is something that the kids could do. They could add the ingredients, they could help stir. It's teaching them to cook, it's teaching them about measurements and math. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's pretty soft there. Okay, and then we need a teaspoon of vanilla, which I already have here. And we need 1 cup of flour. Now this recipe could also be doubled. So if you wanted to make a bigger batch, doubled, tripled, it's a really simple recipe and it works out every time. So I've added the flour. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So I'm going to stir that, and again, this is something that the kids could be doing. You could be talking about colors, the color of the flour, the texture of the flour, measuring out the flour. Okay, so we're just going to mix that. I'm just going to grab a spatula here so I can scrape this off of the spoon. Okay, see, it's coming together really nicely. You want it to come together into a pretty much like into a dough ball almost. Sometimes I find if it's not coming together, you could always add a drop or 2 of water. I find that that helps too. Okay, so I've got my chocolate chips. I'm going to put those in, and I'm going to keep on stirring. And of course, the chocolate chips the kids would like to add, and I'm sure they'd like to taste them too. So it's something that they could do. Alright, mine is just about mixed here. Still have to do a little bit more. If the kids are getting impatient, like I said, you could add a drop or 2 of milk, or you could add a drop or 2 of water. Oh, and I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, you're going to want to set your stove to 350 degrees. Okay, so it's all warmed up. Alright, so I've got this. I'm going to dump it into the pan. And I'm going to use the bowl to press it down. These are nice cookies because it's few ingredients, simple to make. The kids love it. Who doesn't like chocolate chips? You could also switch up the chocolate chips, and you could add raisins, you could add coconut, cranberries, whatever you like to this recipe. It's pretty versatile. Okay. So I've got my chocolate, it's all in the pan here. So I can put it in the oven. And I just happen to have one in the oven already made, so you could see what it looks like. Let me put this in here. Okay, there they are. You're going to cook them for approximately 20 minutes or until golden brown. And when they come out of the oven, that's when you're going to cut them. You're going to cut them when they're warm out of the oven. All right? Okay, thanks for joining me today in our EarlyON activity today. We'll hope to see you again. Have a good day, and don't forget, wash your hands.